What's up, guys? Welcome back, Amazing RC. So, I was out here a couple days ago with this HSP. Basically the exact same setup, but I did move the camera, but it didn't get good GPS, and I hope I am now. We'll see. But I know the car's fast. It's just a matter of, did I hit top speed? And I just don't think I did. So we're back out here today, and we're going to give it another shot. See if we can't hit top speed here. Now this beginning part is a little rough, but as soon as I hit this patch, I'm hoping to be full trigger pull. So here we go. Let's give it a shot here. And I also need to veer off to the left as far as where the car is at. There we go. Oh, that's grass. Alright, so I need to step a little bit. Bet that was exciting. Need to step a little bit closer here. Let's give that another try. I'm assuming the car's fine, so I want to make sure I'm ahead of it. And again, I gave it a trigger pull, and boy, it really stood up on end there for a second. So let's give it another go. Really as far as I can take it, unless I veer off to the right. But geez, I can't imagine trying to turn this thing full pull like that. And again, I didn't hit full speed. There's no way I got full speed. I mean, I was hitting the brakes. So let me get back out here, stop the car. I think that's a good thing I need to do too, to get this GPS to set. So let me stop the car here. Completely stopped. Alright, now let's go. Let me make sure I'm in the right spot here. Alright, here we go. Again, wow, I'll tell you, right here, I mean, this thing takes flight. It's really something. Man, that's really something. I'm going to go ahead and pull off here for a second, and let's see. I wonder if, you know what, let's see what she can do. Just playing around here for a second. I don't know where I'm at. There I am. Here I am. Let's give it one more go here. I just really don't think I'm getting a full trigger pull on this. And again, we'll totally stop. There we go. Get the GPS to set, and then run it again. Here we go. Gone. I feel better now. That's gotta be, if that's not top speed, that's real close to it. So hopefully we got a good GPS read on that. We'll know when we get back to the house here. But I love this little car, guys. Just love it. Let's see how the car's doing here. Everything seems okay. Motor is nice and cool. So, I mean, I can't be overgeared if the motor's nice and cool like that. Let me kill that. But I'm happy with that one. I wasn't last pull, but that very last run there, I feel like I got the top speed. Who knows? Might even have broke 60. So I'm gonna run back to the house, get this thing loaded up, and get the video out to you guys. Brian, Amazing RC. Another cool video, real soon.